What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today got a day trading recap. Real nice day. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. It's a real nice day. So a bit of a home run day for me. Kind of going to have to up probably my home run level going into next year. I'm just going to leave it as is for now, and next year, at the start of January, I'll up that just because my trading has continuously just blown up and progressed over throughout the entire year. It was to where home run was $400 for me, and I've just cracked, $1,000, $2,000, $6,000 P&Ls this year so often that it's no longer, I can't justify to myself that $400 is a home run anymore. As far as consistency goes, right? Because consistently making X amount, it's not like I'm having $6,000 days every single day or $1,000 days every single day, but I am getting those $1,000, $2,000 days multiple times a month, and those are the ones that really like cushion up that P&L. However, the consistent, $200, $300, $400, $500 days, those are the ones that keep you in the game, and those are the ones who long term really are what make us successful. So that is usually what I focus on, and that's what I have today. Have a nice $430 day. Can't complain about that at all. Took a few trades, had one loser that was a little bit bigger than I would have wanted to. However, it was still within my risk tolerance in the $300 area. So finishing up the day up $430. That's a great way to start the week and continue this amazing month that I'm having. And you also got to remember, guys, for me, right? For me, the key is consistency, not hitting $1,000, $2,000 days every day. My key to me, like my goal, all right, is consistency. I know I'm not going to be green every single day. I know I'm going to have red days. At this point, you would have to look through my YouTube. I don't know how many days I've been green in a row already. I've been green now for quite a while. The other day I was red. As a matter of fact, I did a red day recap, and I think it was Wednesday, and I wound up finishing the day up over $2,000 right after I filmed my recap because Tesla went insane. And I jumped in there and made money and actually uploaded that recap with the live trades. So for me, I focus on the consistency. And if I have a red day, I'm not going to overtrade and go insane trying to make it back. I'm just going to take it. And that day I took it. And I was like, all right, it's a red day. But then boom, an opportunity presented itself and bang, 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 I came back with a real super nice green day. So for me, the objective is consistency, being consistently profitable. And within that realm, within that work that I do, looking for consistency, the home run days and the grand slam days just appear. They just come out. Why? Because those days show up for you when you are informed, when you're educated, when you are actually trading plans, and the opportunity meets the execution, right? That's what happens. I'm there executing, and a good opportunity shows up, more so than something that's a little bit choppy or not, right? Or doesn't have a huge range, and boom, you can take advantage. So that's what I want you to understand. That for me, it's all about consistency. It's not about flashing huge P&Ls. It's about consistency and consistently making profit in the market. That's what it's all about to me. All right. So what I traded today was Tesla. And I traded Tesla today because, man, it finally gave us a decent little gap up here in front of that $500 level. And I'm going to show you the chart here. Before I do, quick reminder, you must set your reminder to 8 p.m. tonight. Eastern Standard Time. I will be live on YouTube going over some Q&As with you guys, maybe some charts, and a very big and special announcement you are not going to want to miss out on at all. I guarantee it. Hey guys, before I forget, I can't believe I forgot to mention this. Tonight in the stream, we will also be giving away 3, all right, not 1, not 2, but 3 Amazon Fire HD 10-inch tablets. These are 1080p full HD displays with 32 gigabytes. All right, so you don't want to miss this. So make sure you set your reminders. Now Tesla here, this $500 level has been a little bit of an issue for it. You could see here, it set those highs around 502, I think it was. And then here we broke up to like this 508 multiple times. came back down here to 490, and we just sat there. And then finally today we gapped up over 500. And when the bell rang, we got a little quick dip down there, like what, 50? Yeah, there it is. 501.79, I want to say 502. And I was so tempted to just buy some calls right there, because as soon as we bounced off of the level, I was like, okay, we held it. I should just jump in here with calls now. And I've done it before, very small size. But, generally speaking, I don't trade the first 5 minutes of the day. Typically, you guys, if you've been a subscriber for some time, I don't really start trading or clicking the button until about 9:30, 9:40, 9:45, stuff like that. So I held tight and had to watch it push up higher. However, okay, so you see here's the bell. We push up, right? We push up, boom. And then on this candle right here, which is about, what is that, almost 940, we have a quick little drop to VWAP and bounce off of it. And right there, I jumped in. I think I only had 1 or 2 calls. And then it just got stuck here at 515, just stuck there. And I was like, really? Come on, man. And maybe I should have been a lot more patient. But, we already made a real nice move from 501 and change all the way to 515. We could have some heavy profit taking place here, and maybe come back down here and test the lows and have a double bottom type effect, right? So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to exit right here in front of this. I didn't make any money. I really didn't make any money. I made $8. So because one contract was a win, the other one that I added was a loss. So I had 2 contracts. And then as soon as I sell out, of course, boom, we get the big move. And I was a little upset there, but you know what? It's like I always say, I am not going to let the emotions dictate my decision making. So what did I do? I sat tight. And I said, okay, I'm just going to look for a pullback, a low volume pullback into this VWAP zone. And if I get it, I will get back into this trade. And sure enough, we get a big pullback bar right here, volume, a candle. And I look down here, and sure enough, the volume bar is not big at all. It's not big at all. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I like this. Let's see if we're going to bounce. We begin to bounce right here at 515. I jump right back in, couple contracts, and I start taking some profits off. Boom, 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 boom. And I get flat. I get flat right here in front of the high day, just because the volume, this is what I want you to see here. The volume was decreasing as we were bouncing. So I don't remember if it was in this candle or in this candle. I got flat. Made a little money. Nothing to write home about, but made a little money. Nicely green on the day at that point. Then sure enough, we make new highs again, because that's the name of the game. Tesla's gonna mess with me like that. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait for you to give me another setup. And sure enough, I got this little setup here. Boom, took advantage and made back some profits on it. Now, I did not get to record all these trades, because when I'm really, really active like this, and I'm, boom, boom, in and out, in and out, in and out, I don't get to just click the record button on all of them, because sometimes they move a little too fast. So I do have some live trades recorded here. I'm going to grab those. We're going to go over them. And before I do bring those up, do me a quick favor. Check out the link in the description section below, because you have the trade idea scanners right there, 15% off coupon code, as well as my link, and Webull, which is the free stock trading app that you just download to your phone, fund your account with $100, and you're going to get currently, again, 3 free stocks. That's a no-brainer, guys. It's free money. I don't understand why you would not take up like free money. You put $100, you're going to get 3 free stocks. They're generally always valued at $8 minimum. So that's a real good return on investment on $100. Let's see here. I got you the trade. I believe it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. Is it this one? Okay, yeah, there we go. So see, we get the drop, we get the pop back up off that level, and I'm in 2 contracts, just 2, keeping it tight. 1424 entry, just keeping it tight. We start to get up there to high day, and we're going off pretty good, 371. I'm up there, but I don't take that, because I really wanted to get up there so I can take 1 contract off really, really close to the high. But then we start to get some really weird action, so I stop out of it right there. And I said to myself, we're probably going to come back down here to VWAP, and I'm going to be able to see if we're going to bounce. If we bounce, I'm going to get a better entry. Book a little profit there, and that was it for that one. Now, let me see this other one if I have. So let's see here. This is another small trade probably. Okay, yeah, here we go. That way you can see the options chain as well if you want. So I'm looking for this 90 EMA to cross up over VWAP and see if we can get this pushed up to new highs into contracts 1464. And I'm looking to see if we're going to get that push. We start to get it, but we don't go. And look at the volume. That's the one I was telling you about. Look at the volume. As we're bouncing up there, the volume is actually steadily decreasing. I want to see the complete opposite. As a matter of fact, I was willing to double up my contract size if that volume was higher, was increasing, because this could have put Tesla at my final target, which is around 525 area, really fast. But we don't get that. Look what we get. We tap, 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 and then, it's like, come on, seriously? And what happens then? Then we finally go and we get one big, what happened to my mouse? One big volume bar right there. You see it? And then boop, come all the way back down. And that's what I was concerned about, right? Like this type of action. You see it here, it's happening live in front of us. So then my last trade, I don't have recorded, which really sucks. However, we're going to go over it right here. And that was the best trade. Jumped in right in here at this 520 area. And, well, not 520. It was 520 calls. I jumped in as we came back down to this level and bounced back up over the 90 MA. I saw volume start to increase. I was like, all right, let's go. And I jumped back in there and rode it up here to new highs. And I believe I sold my last one in one of these two candles right here. I think it was this doji when we started coming back down. I had 3 contracts and I just pieced out of them and booked a real nice profit. So up on the day, 430 bucks. Can't complain about 430 bucks in a single day, guys. There's a lot of people out there that work an entire week, and that's what they get paid, an entire week. I made that on Monday. It is 11:16 a.m. Okay, so we got to keep things in perspective. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to catch me tonight at 8 p.m. here on the channel live, and smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to be there, and I'll catch you on the next one.